Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, students, today we will discuss something new. So let me ask you some question. Children, what is the first step we take while we had our breakfast? Yes, we convert them into small bite. Suppose if we want to distribute a cake, what we will do? Yes, we will cut them into parts depending upon the students. So, students, this division of cake or conversion of food into bite before eating is called fraction. Why we do so? In order to chew it properly, digest it properly. Because if you try to eat a whole chapati at one time, it will not be easy for us, or we will not able to do so. So, in order to chew it properly as well as digest it properly, we will convert it into small bite. So, students, today we will discuss about multiplication and division of fractions. In the previous class, that is class 6, you might have studied about what is fraction, types of fraction, addition and subtraction of the fraction. Let us give a small review to those topics. So, students, my first question is to you is, what is fraction? Yes, fraction is a part or group of a region or things, you can say. Suppose, for example, this is the circle. This is the circle, and I divide it into two. Then each part resembles a part of this whole circle. So the resemblance of part is called fraction, and we write it as, if it is divided into two parts, so we write two at below the part, and if I will shade one part of it, for example, I will shade this left part of it. If it was asked what is the fraction of the shaded region, then what part is shaded? 1. Then we will add it 1. It will become half, where 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Numerator is the number which we take in consideration, or which is asked to be named, and denominator is the part which is the number of part in which that object or that thing is divided. I think till here each and everything is clear to you. Now we have studied types of fraction. There are 6 types of fraction which we have studied: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, and equivalent fraction. So we will discuss one by one. What is proper fraction? A fraction in which denominator, the number written at the below, is greater than the numerator, is called proper fraction. The example given on the board is of proper fraction. And if we reverse this condition, that is denominator is smaller than numerator, then it will become improper fraction. In the same way, if we add one whole number to this, suppose I add 2, 1 by 2, then this type of fraction becomes mixed fraction. Now third we have discussed mixed fraction. Now fourth one, like fraction. What is like fraction? If group of fractions are given, for example, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 3 fractions are given, and you can find that the denominator is equal. So this type of fraction is always in a group and have same denominator, is called like fraction. If we reverse the condition, like 1 is 2 by 7, second one is 3 by 9, fourth one is 4 by 8. You can see they are different in denominator. So this type of fraction is called unlike fraction. And what is equivalent fraction? If we have group of fraction like 2 by 3, 4 by 6, Then we can write 16 by 24. There are three fractions I have written on the blackboard. Now you can see we have written three fractions on the blackboard. Now I will reduce each fraction to simplest form. What I will get? 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. So when we divide a group of fraction and we get same result as the simplest form, so this type of fraction is called equivalent fraction. Okay? You also have studied how to convert improper into mixed and mixed into improper. To convert improper into mixed, what we do? We divide numerator with denominator. For example, if 3 by 9 is the fraction, it is the proper fraction. Let's take any proper fraction. 7 by 2. It's an improper fraction because denominator is smaller than numerator. So in order to convert this into mixed fraction, what we will do? We will divide 7 by 2 with denominator. What we will get? 2 3 is 6 and 1 is the denominator. So how we will write the mixed fraction? This remainder will become whole number. This quotient will become numerator, and this the denominator which is there already present in the fraction will be the denominator of the answer also. So this is now we will get the mixed fraction, and this is how we convert the fraction improper fraction to mixed fraction. Now we will also see how we convert mixed fraction to improper. So let me take this case only. So what we will do? We will multiply denominator with whole number and add numerator and divide it by the same denominator of the given question by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and plus 3. What will get? One minute. A selective mistake. 3 1 by 2. Will become 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is the improper fraction. Now you got it? Okay. So we have seen these things in the previous class. We have studied these things in the previous classes. Now what we will do? We will move to the addition subtraction, which we have also studied in previous classes. How to add? Add plus or subtract. So how we will add or subtract? So for this, what we will do? We will take two fractions. No noise. I have written 3 questions on the blackboard. For addition, 3 for subtraction. Now you can see 3 for addition, 3 for subtraction. How we will solve it? If the denominator is same, like that is, if the fraction is like, then what we will do? We will simply add the denominator or subtract the numerator. Okay? 7 plus 3, 10, 10 by 2. And you will convert into smallest form, 5. Here we will subtract 7 minus 3. Yes, 4. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So it is easy to subtract and add when the denominator is same. But what happens if the denominator is different? Yes, we will take LCM. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. And what we will do? We will divide the denominator, new denominator is LCM, with the denominator of the fraction in the question one by one, and we will add that question with, so we multiply that question with numerator of the same fraction. For example, if we divide 4 by 12, we will get 3. So 3 into 9, 27. Plus sign is there, plus sign. Now we will multiply, we will do the same thing here. 3 4 are 12, 4 7 are 28. 28 plus 27 is 55 by 12. If you wish, you can convert it into mixed fraction by following the same formula which I have told you. Here we will subtract the same thing. 28 minus 27 by 12, it will become 1 by 12. Here also we first we will convert it into improper fraction because it is in mixed fraction. 13 by 2, 17 by 2, 30 by 2 is equal to 15 here. Same thing we will do here also. Well, here you have studied in your previous classes. So today we will discuss about multiplication. How do we multiply two fractions? It is very easy because there you have to write direct answers without any calculations. But for this you have to learn the table. So everybody please memorize the table till 20. It will be very helpful for you. Okay? Suppose we want to multiply the fraction. Multiplication. Today's topic. I am writing some questions on the board. The third question is here. See, there are three questions on the blackboard. First one is the multiplication with whole number, or we can say natural number. Okay. Second one is multiplication of two fractions. You can call it proper fraction because, sorry, improper fraction because denominator is smaller than numerator. So it is improper fraction. Third one is the case, in the case mixed fraction. Now how we will multiply all three, these three that we have to see. See, in the first case you can multiply it directly because you know that 1 is hidden at every whole number or natural number. So you will write it 1 here. 4 is 12 and 7. You will simply multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. In the second case you can see, you can here also directly multiply. Okay. 9 7 is 63, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 4 to the 8. Very good. Now in the next case you can see what we will do. We will first convert it into normal fraction, that is proper fraction or improper fraction. That is the 14 and 3. 19 by 2 multiplied by 40 is 12 and 7. 19 by 3. Now you have to multiply this. 2 to the 6 and 17 to 19. We will do here. So 283 by 6. It is not divisible by completely by 6, but we can convert it into mixed fraction. How you will convert? We will divide it with 6 for the 24, 43, 6 7 the 42, and 1 by 6. You can write it like this also. If you convert, you will get this answer. Okay? I think till here each and everything is clear to you all. Okay. So if you have any doubt till here, you can ask me. I hope each and everything which I have told you till now is clear. So till then, today I will assign you some homework. So please try to do those questions. If you have any problem, you can ask me. So today in the class we have discussed what is fraction, what is its types, how to convert mixed into improper and improper into mixed, how to add or subtract the fraction, and how to multiply. The new thing what we have learned today, how to multiply the fractions. And I think it is very easy. If you have any issue, any problem regarding solving this kind of problems, you can ask me directly. Okay? Thank you.